What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Chalize, and I am back with another video. This footage is a little old. I filmed it maybe a week before I posted my last video, but didn't want to waste the video. So with that being said, I'm doing a little build series, just a little bit, tying the car together, little things like that, because for the most part, a lot of the things on the car are together already. So I'm just doing a little bit of a build series, tying little things up in the car, dialing it in, taking you guys along the rest of my journey. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like. It's always greatly appreciated. And if you're new here, welcome. So with that being said, let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that I got to do, that I already started doing, took my things, cut off my zip tie here for the hood, because that's what was holding my hood down for now. Don't worry, I don't always drive like that. My hood latch actually just broke. On top of my hood latch breaking from the fiberglass, it broke this corner over here. So that's broken. I got to refiberglass it. That corner over there is just off, but it did kind of mess up the fiberglass underneath there. You can't really see it, but messed up the fiberglass underneath there. So right now I just got to take off this hood, then we can start on the headlight. All right, y'all, so one thing I've been procrastinating on for some reason is installing my passenger headlight. I installed my driver's side already, that I already had on for maybe a little over a month. I had it on for the longest, but never did the passenger side for some reason. So I have here a brand new OEM S15 headlight that I'm finna get ready to unbox. This is got it from Injuku, so shout out to those boys. Got the whole OEM set. These things are pretty expensive. I heard D-Max makes some now, but there's really no point with the shipping of D-Max in the States unless you can get a hookup somewhere. Might as well just get the OEM. So these things are pretty fresh, pretty minty. It's gonna sit nice and pretty right there. I also have, I forgot the name of the company that makes it, but some company that are also on eBay, they make S14 Zengi to S15 headlight conversions. You have to call in a special order if you wanted to do the S14 Koki to S15 conversion, but luckily I already have my harness. Put it on that side, headlight works good. I actually have to find it because I don't know what I did with this other side, but once I find that, we get to cutting all that out and get to work on this. All right, y'all, so I already went ahead, removed the hood, removed the battery. My battery tray is looking pretty clean. My last S14, it was rusted out right here. In the previous owner, they cut it and put a piece of, it wasn't even metal. It was some piece of, I don't even know, but they did a horrible job, and it was rusted right here. So that's kind of a common 240 thing. Underneath, you have a little bit of surface rust, but nothing rusted through. I can honestly grind that out and paint it, and it'll be completely fine. Now what we have to do is get the angle grinder, get everything plugged in. Got to cut right here to make a hole. I don't know if you can see it. I didn't clean it up yet, so don't judge me, but I cut last time. This is my first time ever doing this too, so like I said, don't judge me. I will go back and clean it up. I was just really trying to rush to get to drift events and have a working headlight. So this time I'm probably gonna do a little bit cleaner now that I know where I need to cut, actually, because there I didn't cut exactly where I needed to cut. So this time should be nice and cleaner, hopefully. Hey y'all, so I got everything together, got all that stuff off, the wires off, battery and stuff out, angle grinder ready. Found a harness too for the headlight, simple few connectors. This is the brand who makes it. They're called Keyed Performance. They sell their stuff on eBay. Pretty sure they probably have a site too or whatever, but pretty cool that they make stuff like this. I think they make a bunch of different stuff too, so that's pretty cool. With that being said, I think we are ready to get started. Let me just double check and make sure I have everything that I need, and then we can get started. All right, y'all, when doing this, I do suggest like wearing like anything to protect your skin if you don't want like none of the metal cutting up on you, because sometimes it does get on you and it's pretty annoying. Also, I guess it's like a safety thing as well. Also, eyewear, I would definitely wear eyewear. Since I already have on my glasses, I don't really put extra glasses over my glasses. But pretty much ready to start. Blade is good, surface is good, pretty much we're ready, boys, so let's get started. All right, so I'm almost done. Got my little hole open. You also have to either smash this back or cut it a little bit, depending on how you want to do it. I just cut mine a little bit. It seems like the headlight goes on now. Let me see. Yeah, it seems like it'll go on now. My fender really isn't on properly, and what else? My fender isn't on properly. I'm trying to get this through this hole right here. Okay, my fender isn't on properly, so I really can't like tell 100% where I need to put a bolt in right there. So what I did was here on this side was I put one of those like screw rivets. So it's like a rivet, but you can put a screw through it. But all of mine like broke over here. They all broke for the most part. Where are they? They're like this, and it comes with like another little piece that sticks on the end, but for the most part mine's all broke. It's a cheap tool. It's like a $25-ish tool at Harbor Freight, so probably can't exchange that one, so probably just gonna get a new one. But for now, since I don't have one, I'm probably just going to put a zip tie right here like I did on this side. That way when I finally go to put a bumper on, I have a little bit of play to adjust and make sure that it sits good. But for right now, let's go ahead and put these wires together, the wire harness together. Oh, here it is. Let's go ahead and put this together. It's literally just plug and play, so that's the great thing about it. And then let's test and see if the wires work. All right, as you guys saw, all the lights work for the most part. Everything is looking good. Gonna grab some tape, get this all tucked away. Then for now, I'm just gonna do my zip ties, and I'm going to probably zip tie this up there, right there, just for now, until I can get a new tool to actually screw the headlight in. So yeah, let's get that done right quick. All right, y'all, so I got everything all nice and wrapped up in electrical tape. You see, it looks much cleaner rather than having a bunch of those lines everywhere. Like I said, for right now, I'm just going to zip tie there, probably do one zip tie there, because I still have to work on my fender, and I still have to work on my fender. Gonna clean that up a little bit more down there, grind it out, try to make it as smooth as possible, look as clean as possible. I learned with this build not to go super over the top, crazy clean, because it's not a show car, it's a drift car. It's just built literally to drift, not to go to SEMA or anything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but right there, I gotta sell that too. Other than that, everything's good to go. Lights work. So let's get this thing like zip tied on for right now. All right, y'all, this is pretty much the end of the video. It's a different day. Got the thing masked up, the headlight masked up, took out the wires, unplugged them, because right now I'm getting everything in a position to pretty much place it in the right position, get in the fender position, and trying to work with the bumper a little bit. Arrow isn't the best, doesn't really fit the best, so it's kind of a difficult job, but doing what I can for now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, y'all, this is pretty much the end of the video. It's another day. This is the state of the car right now. Just working on everything, dialing everything in, not trying to put too much of a load on myself with this car, taking it bit by bit, coming along slowly but surely. Still a lot of little things to dial in. For the most part though, we're pretty much here. Kit is on, aero is on, fenders are on, seat is on, wheel is on. A lot of stuff is together. Just need to dial it all in, make it look clean, get this thing painted, and then bro, she's complete. So that being said though, this is the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy it, I appreciate you for watching, sticking to the end. It's been your boy Chill Eyes, and we out. Peace.